Okay, 1993 Ford F-150. It's got a 5.0 motor in it. Keeps dying when it gets hot, so I replaced the coil thinking that's what it was. It's not that, so I went and picked up a thermostat and a fuel pressure regulator. So for the thermostat, you got a hose clamp there, and then your two main bolts. So you're gonna need 8mm little stubby wrench for the hose clamps, something to pry it off, and then these two big main ones for the housing of the thermostat are 1/2 inch. So when I get to that point, I'll start another video. Got the thermostat out. There's the housing. It's just those two 1/2 inch bolts. Anywho, I pulled it out, and obviously we know what's wrong right off the bat. There's a groove machined in here. You're supposed to put the thermostat first and then put the gasket. The gasket will come with sticky stuff on it, so it holds the thermostat in that groove when you replace it. Well, whoever done it last time, they put the gasket on first and then the thermostat, and it was seated just like that. So we got a little hole there where it's bypassing, so it's really not even doing what it's supposed to do. So I'm gonna get this all cleaned up. We'll get the new thermostat in it and put the gasket on right, and I'll show you how that is. So I'm gonna go get to cleaning it. We'll see you later. All right, so we got her all shined up best we could, and it should sit right there like that. And then we'll put the gasket over it. This is the old one, I'll get the new one. Put the gasket over it, and then we'll be ready to throw it in. So I'll take a video of that when we're ready. So here's the housing, thermostat in the groove with the gasket on top of it. Very important you do it this way, as we found out. So that, and our two little bolts, I cleaned them up a little bit on the wire wheel, cleaned up the face down there, and we'll shove her in there and get her put together and get back with you. Got it all put back together. I got ready to start putting it together, and after I got the thermostat in, and something had been eating on that hose, and it looked like it was pretty close to going. So ran down to the auto parts store, got a new hose, thermostat's in, no leaks, everything's looking good. Warmed her up, got her running pretty hot. She's pretty toasty, so hopefully it'll run a little bit better, and we'll see if she does any better in the heat now. Thank you guys for watching. Hope this helps you. If you have a 1992 to 1996 Ford, from what I found, this should be about the same type of deal for every thermostat. So it's a pretty quick fix, couple tools, pretty basic, so give yourself about an hour. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll try and put out some more videos of my random days that I have. No day's the same. So anywho, y'all have a good day, and be sure to subscribe, like, and make sure you hit that bell. Y'all have a good day.